Alright, it's now the following day and about 10 o'clock now. Yesterday got to that camp, a bunch of people there. Ended up just camping behind the shelter. Couldn't really fall asleep until like midnight, but got up at 5:45, hit the trail by like 6:30. This is my first video for today because it just finished downpouring on me. Looks like the sky is trying to clear up. Oh yeah, yesterday took like 12 and a half hours to do 22.7 miles. Also, I think I've decided that I'm not actually going to hike the long trail all the way through. I think instead what I'm going to do is just, once the long trail meets back up with the Appalachian Trail, that's where I'll get off and head home. I've already done the southern 100 miles just 2 years ago on the AT, so don't really see a point in doing it again. Alright, the last mile up this climb to Whiteface Mountain is fucking no joke, man. This is kind of like the White Mountains. Oh, I only got like 30 minutes of daylight left. Oh, so trying to get to the summit. Maybe I can get a view, but I'm not sure how much further I have to go. All this stuff is still wet. Oh yeah. On top of Whiteface Mountain right now. Was expecting to make it up here with daylight to spare, so it's kind of nice to get to see something. I mean, it's not that great of a view, but it's better than staring into the night sky, so I think the shelter that I'm headed to isn't that much further away, so it looks like I won't even have to do any night hiking today, which is nice. In the tent now, 8 o'clock. Ended the day at about 7. Did about 27 miles today. 27 hard miles, but I didn't have the night hike, so that was nice. It's really good service here, so I checked the weather. And it's raining again tomorrow. Pretty much 100% chance, which kind of sucks. It's supposed to start pretty much right in the morning at like 8 o'clock, so kind of lame. But after that, it's supposed to be nice and sunny, supposedly, so just gotta deal with it for one more day. Got a pretty tough climb tomorrow up Mount Mansfield, I think. That's what it looks like on Gut Hook. Not sure if you can see. it's a pretty steep climb. It's nice that I can actually show you this since I'm not filming with this. I don't know. Might wake up at like 5:30 just so I don't have to pack up in the rain. We'll see.